I'm really collecting the Cécred products like infinity stones, but today I'm going to be using the Cécred detangling spray because I saw 3 videos of girls using this to detangle their old wash and go before they start their wash day. And I think that I'm going to try to do the same because I feel like normally when I wash my hair on wash days, I just kind of go on with the shampoo, like a clarifying shampoo to get rid of the buildup, then my moisturizer shampoo, then my conditioner, and so on. I don't ever really detangle my hair before. And I'm starting to think like maybe that's why I be getting so many fairy knots. Yeah, when I went in there and I saw like the display, I contemplated on getting like the whole line. Okay, no, I wasn't. I was never gonna get the whole line because I'm cheap and it costs a lot of money. I mean, granted, I don't really buy things from Ulta full price anyway because I use their coupons and I use whatever points I have. But I just like them edge drops, $56, still don't have them. I just cannot. Maybe if they go on sale Black Friday, Cyber Monday, hopefully she don't do us dirty because I feel like she wouldn't even put her stuff on sale. I don't know. But enough of the jibber jab. Let's see how this works. When I tell y'all like the videos I've seen, the girls, they literally sprayed and then I don't remember if they let it sit, but they spray it and immediately they just come right on through and it doesn't take them any time at all. And that's what I like. Wash day is already long. Why make it longer trying to detangle beforehand? That's why I don't ever do it because I'm lazy. Like my wash day is long, but I'm still lazy when it comes to doing it, which is why I prolong it anyway. So let's go ahead and section my hair off. I think I'm gonna do it in 4s. Yeah, let's do it in 4. A girl timed herself and she said it took her 1 minute to like just do one section. Let's see if I can do the same. I don't have a timer over here. I'm just gonna count in my head. Do I need to spray water? I forget, let me see. It says shake and spray with a wide tooth comb or brush. So maybe not. Let's try it without water. Let me spray it first. Oh, it's not on. Dang, is the top? Let's figure out the top first. First of all, 5 minutes of this video is gonna be me trying to take this top off because what's going on? Okay, so I figured out I'm slow. So it wasn't the top that needs to come off. You just literally press this. You press this, pop it open, and then there you go. Yeah, I feel like an idiot. But you know what? We press and move on. Okay, where's my comb? Let's see. Oh, not on my face. It kind of smells like the other Cécred products, but like with the mint, I guess like a mint, not after smell, but like, I don't know. It kind of smells fresh, but minty at the same time. Ooh. Oh, definitely easy to comb through. Like this is literally the first comb. Nope. Okay. Then I'm probably just going to, and I'm gonna do it in 1 big braid or 2 big braids because I'm probably going to end up going to do something else before I get in the shower and wash my head. So let's do this. This might be too big of a part. Let's split that in half. My boyfriend has braids and I cannot wait to use this to take his hair down. He probably ain't gonna let me record it, but. Okay. Ooh, put a little bit more. Ooh. I guess I should have took his hair out the comb. This is old, so you could actually see like how much. It's not breakage. I forget what it's called. Okay, I was gonna say. Oh, it's a little tangle right there. Let's maybe add some more. See what I mean? Like your hair really does get real tangled up when you go days when to wash it go. There we go. Okay. I can see the little beads back there. So now, yeah, I'm gonna just, I feel like I need to do that top more. Yeah. See how easy it just glides right on through? Okay. Now I'm going to braid these down. Yeah, I'm gonna braid this section of my hair down just so it stays detangled. If you know, you know. Okay, let's do the other side. See, like look. Actually, I'm splitting here. I really don't make it no better by smushing my hair like this. But you know what? This detangling spray is gonna fix it. Oh, cold. The fact that it's so easy to just comb through, I'm telling y'all, it's some type of witchcraft in these products. Something. I need some water in my mouth dry. Okay. Like this is the before. witchcraft. Straight old witchcraft. That little piece right there is not good. Now let's see. There we go. All right. And this is the breakage. Or I don't know, is this, what is this called? I cannot think of the term. I wouldn't call it breakage, but maybe like the old hair, dead hair from like the past couple of days. Because when I have washing those for at least 5 days, I don't comb my hair for real. I don't. It's hair on my face. Braid it on down. Keep the braids in while I do a couple more things, and I'll show y'all if it stays tangled. Hopefully putting these braids in, can't talk. Hopefully by putting these braids in, I'm not defeating the purpose, because obviously the detangling spray is normally used for like protective style, takedown, sewing, stuff like that. No, just playing. So hopefully it stays detangled. I'm gonna run my fingers through it and everything. And then we're gonna go on with the wash day. I'm gonna hurry to get started because I got studying to do. All right, let's see if I can still rake my fingers through. I think it's been like an hour. Yeah, no, I'm lying. It's probably been 2 hours. First of all, let me find out I could do a braid out with this detangling spray. Let me find out. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to go wash. Do I feel like this made my wash day easier? I'm gonna say yeah, because like I said earlier, normally I just go in with my old wash and go while I still tangle up. I don't even comb through. I don't even know why. I never even thought to like comb through before I started washing my hair. I feel like this could be a pre-poo for when you wash your hair, when your wash and go becomes old. Cause I know like back then, I'm saying back then, like it's been years, but you know like the time frame where people were doing pre-poos a lot, or they were co-washing their hair back when the natural hair community was like kind of new. I wouldn't say new, but I don't know. It was like a time frame in the not early 2000s, mid 2000s when people were pre-pooing and co-washing to avoid washing their hair. But I feel like this low key is pre-poo. And it's definitely beneficial before you wash your hair. But yeah, if you watched this video all the way through, thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to do another wash day, but this wash day, I'm going to do all of the Cécred. I think it's the, I'm going to tell y'all to stay tuned, and I can't remember what I'm using. Hold on. Yeah, my next video is going to be me washing my hair with the Cécred Hydration Hairline. So I'm using the scalp scrub shampoo, the hydrating shampoo, hydrating conditioner. I'm also going to use the mask. I'm going to use my aloe vera. I use aloe vera every time I wash my hair because I love it and I need it. And then I'm going to follow up with another video, because if I put all that on the video, it's going to be like 2 hours. Nobody's watching a 2-hour video. I'm going to do a wash and go, and I'm going to do the sealing lotion plus the mousse and the hair oil. I think the last wash and go I didn't record, but I just used the sealing lotion by itself with the oil. And it turned out okay. I think it lasted me a good 4 days before it got kind of like frizzy. Yeah, I think that was like the 5th or 6th day. It's on my shorts, but yeah, the 5th or 6th day, it got kind of frizzy. Hopefully they plan to incorporate more natural hair products down the line, like creams, lotions, leave-ins, mousses, all that kind of stuff. I mean, I feel like she would, but yeah, if you watched all the way through, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.